What's up, people? Welcome back to Toe Shifters. It's about 8:20 in the morning now. We were supposed to start today's trip at about 5 o'clock, 5:30, but it all got messed up. We just left at about 7:30 from Bangalore. And yeah, you see this different attire because obviously I'm not riding. Instead, I'm driving. And obviously, in a car, it's never going to be uh, myself driving all by myself, right? So yeah, these are the guys. My friend Vinay, you probably wouldn't have seen him anywhere, and that's Sharath. So yeah, we all are actually college buddies from architecture. We all studied together. So it's been a very long time since we guys actually went for a trip. We were planning for a bike ride. Unfortunately, because of the rains in the recent times, it all got messed up, and this was not happening. So we guys just settled in to drive it out instead of going on bikes. So yeah, that's what is happening. How are you, Vinay?
I'm good.
You good?
Excited? Yes.
Excited?
Yeah.
When was the last time we actually went on a trip?
3 years back.
Yeah, 3 years back. That was on a bike, probably about what 150 kilometers or so.
Yes,
And
yes.
before that, we actually went for a nice drive. That was back in college days,
Yes.
right? When we had my
Icon.
really, what do you say, a heartfelt, a very close to our hearts, the car, my Icon, which has a lot of memories. And now again, we're back on a different Ford vehicle.
The
And
Josh machine.
The
from
Josh
back in
machine,
the
yeah. That was a beautiful, beautiful car.
1.6 petrol.
1.6
NXT.
petrol with a K&N filter.
Yes, with a K.
And the amazing noise that it created, man. It was a wonderful car. And yeah, Sharad, what about you? When was the last time that you actually came?
2017 December
Yeah.
was our last bike trip.
Yeah, so we actually went on both our bikes. We went to the same place that we're going today. We're actually going towards Gandikota, and from there, probably, I don't know where else. So that is the plan for now. And yeah, that was the last time that we both rode. He rode my Royal Enfield Desert Storm, and I was on my Firefly, the KTM 390. Unfortunately, the bike trip was not happening, but as long as your friends are together, it doesn't matter, right? So yeah, now I think it's already time for breakfast. We were probably planning to have the breakfast after about 150 odd kilometers, but we've barely done about 70 kilometers since we started in the morning. But yeah, such a beautiful location right here. The highway is barely a couple of meters from here, and we just found this trail leading to nowhere, absolutely nowhere.
It's all
We don't know.
fresh and green.
And it's because of the rains, you know, all this lush green things. It's just so beautiful and mesmerizing. So yeah, you guys will be seeing a lot of the three of us for the next 2 days. Yeah, 2 days.
Yes.
Next 2 days. Yeah.
2 days.
So we guys
Going
will
around the this thing, the Rayalaseema of Andhra Pradesh.
Rayalaseema. I don't know what
I
that
don't
is.
Check it out. Come.
Yeah, anyways, chalo, now we are just heading for breakfast. So let's see what's there for breakfast. We just stopped at this place called Swagat Delicacy on Hyderabad Road. This is Idli Vada for Vinay. I've ordered a plain dosa, and Sharath has ordered masala dosa. So idlis are always ready, and masala dosa and dosa is getting prepared. So as soon as it comes, we will start a breakfast. So what is it, Sharath? How are things going with you?
Things are good. Looking forward to the drive.
Drive?
And the drive. And yeah, the next 2 days should be fun.
Fun or?
It should be fun, I think.
What do you order?
Huh? Sir, your Idli Vada is here, sir. Please start. You are a chief guest for this ride. So Vinay will be sponsoring. No, Vinay will actually be sponsoring for all of our food, fuel, and what else?
He's a sponsor. We got a sponsorship deal from Oak
Yeah, we got a
Project.
sponsorship from Oak Project.
Vada is so big.
Yeah,
Because it's Vada, it's almost 5 inch dia.
Yeah, that's what happens when you travel with a bunch of architects.
Fine there.
So, the dosas are here. Plain dosa and masala dosa. Let's start munching. We just stopped by to have a pee break in the middle of the road, and look at what we got. A nice river, and there are actually a few swans over there. I doubt if the GoPro can capture it, they're too far off. Anyways, so yeah, having a good driving experience. It is really humid. I'm pretty sure it's going to rain by the night. So yeah, I think it was a good decision after all coming in a car, because we're able to exchange a lot of talks that we've not been able to do in all these years. It's definitely a lot more fun than bikes, wherein you barely get to talk. It's just about ride. So probably a good time to drive it out, because it's been quite a while that we've not been out on a drive as well. So really good. And look at this Vinay. He's having सेब खा रहा है बेटा. किसका सेब है बे? किसका सेब खा रहा है? कश्मीर का है या चाइना का? So yeah, a good experience. Sharad is sitting inside because he doesn't like the sun as much. He cannot wear sunshades, so he cannot come out. Anyways, probably is another how many kilometers? 60? 90? Another 90 kilometers. It's almost 11:30, so probably another hour and a half. So probably by 1 o'clock we should be there. Yeah. Grand Canyon of India, obviously. Yeah. So God knows when we'll be able to go to the US to actually see the Grand Canyon, but yeah, this is what we can afford for now. So yeah, fun experience. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button right below. It's not going to cost you anything much. We've been traveling to some amazing places on the way. I've come to this place before, but I've never experienced this thing. Just show you the view on the other side of the camera. Just have a look. And there is Sharad coming out of his comfort zone from the climate controlled AC to a really hot and humid climate outside the car. The rains have made this place look so mesmerizing. It's just so lovely.
ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಸರಿ, ಅದೇನದು ಹಂಗೆ ನೇತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಏನದು?
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅದೇ ನಾ ಕಲ್ಸಿರೋದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಇವರು. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿನಯ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ
how much they wasted, dude. Such big. Hey, come here, Sarath. Look at this great wall of Andhra Pradesh. Come here. From here till there, like they built full compound to that one brick. So much manpower is wasted. So you could have just built one.
We stopped here for a short break, pee break, and some relaxing break because we got tired. We've been driving around for what, almost 3 hours since the last stop, 2.5 hours plus. We're still about 15-20 kilometers from the place. We can actually see the river somewhere there, but this point is quite low, so I doubt if you can see it, but there's a beautiful sight of this paddy fields, and there's a nice breeze. I think you can see it somewhere there. That is where the river is flowing, so we'll probably be going all around and probably on top of that.
Take a bottle.
We just came to this place called Harita Resorts. to finish with our lunch. It's almost 2:30 now. Already too late for lunch, but we thought we'll finish our lunch and then go to this place. So probably it might get a little less warm by the time we get there. So yeah, it took us almost 6 hours plus to reach here, obviously, because we've been stopping and we've been maintaining a steady speed. But the roads after the highway were not that good, and single roads at places and a lot of homes, villages, everything. So it was not that easy. But yeah, that's how it's been. It's been a really wonderful drive till now. It's really nice and sunny, but you never know, it might start raining because it's been raining in all of these places for the last couple of days. So let's see how this goes. We'll probably go inside and grab some lunch. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I don't think we'll have much options for lunch. Probably just South Indian meals or something. So we'll just have to go with that. I think last time also we had the same, right? So this is all there is for lunch. Some rice. What is this?
Raw food.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನಿದು?
Tondekayi palya.
ತೊಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಪಲ್ಯ, some sambar and some fryums. That's all. Puff. Puff. So finally reached this place. This is the Gandikota Fort. The entrance that you see behind me is the main entrance. It's actually quite a jam-packed road. If you can see, this is where we parked our car. It's a very squeezed parking, and you can see the way people have just parked their vehicles. Only if it was a little more organized, it would have been a lot better. Yes, can't help it. Yeah, it looks more like all of those royal forts of Rajasthan, etc., etc. You can actually take your car inside, but there is quite a bit of problem with parking. I remember coming last time. So yeah, I remember coming last time and the parking inside was really congested, and getting a car out of there was a big pain. So it's better that we just park it there. It's at least easier to get out of the place again. What we're walking down from, that is actually the fort, and where we're going right now, that is where the place to see is. That is the Grand Canyon. There's actually a lot of interesting feature, what do you say, constructions around this place if you want to explore, but in this heat it is just so tiring to do that. I hope it's breezy around there. It'll be a nice time to spend by the canyons. Ready for it? There you go. This is the infamous Grand Canyon of India. You can see people getting on top all over those places. Remember the last time that we came, all of these places there was barely any green. We could only see entire red stones because there was no rain. And now because of the rain, you can actually see quite a bit of greens in between the rocks. You can see Sharath, Vinay, who were too lazy to climb up here to have a look at this beautiful view. And I did get tired a bit with that long stairs over there. Yeah, that's about the visit to the Gandikota Fort and the Grand Canyon of India. Probably we'll just head back. There is probably another view that we can get of the Grand Canyon which was showing on Google, so we'll see if there's a possibility of that. If not, we're going to a town called Kadapa. That is where we're going to be staying tonight, and we'll be heading back home tomorrow and see what's in store for us for the rest of the day. It's almost 4 o'clock now, so almost evening now, and I don't think there is much we can do. Let's see if there's something on the way. We'll probably get to that. There is also a place called Belem Caves which we had visited the last time that I came on bike along with Sharath, but we don't have that kind of a time because we are already late. I'd actually planned it on mind, thinking if we are early we would probably go to that place and then head back towards Kadapa town. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. So yeah, let's see what happens next. Get to the car, have some water. Really feel dehydrated. Alright, so we finally reached in this hotel, and we checked into this hotel in this town, Kadapa, right?
Yeah.
Kadapa town, in this hotel called the Hotel Grand Inn. And we have taken a family room because one of our friend Pramesh joined in as well. He's enjoying his apple. Show your apple. See? So yeah, he just joined in. He'll be with us for this night as well. So we're going to have some fun. Just going to have some dinner outside and finish that and just crash because we guys are obviously tired with today's drive. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Until the next video, ride safe, ride hard, always wear your safety gear and never forget wearing gear.
Helmet.
Vinay remembers it. See you guys. Bye.